Good morning, beautiful souls. I just wanted to show you the ocean this morning. It's 8:15 in the morning, 18 degrees Celsius, and it's beautiful. You cannot see anymore because the sun is already up there, but this morning the sky was pink, this salmon pink color. The planet is really clearing itself, it's releasing all the heavy, dark emotion, all the stuff it doesn't need anymore. You can feel the ocean waters are cleaner. Last year it was tough, especially at the end of the year. We were releasing, the ocean just catch me. We were releasing all the energy we didn't need anymore, all the old belief conditioning. And the ocean, the sea water, is the emotional body of the planet Earth, and it's clearing itself. It's releasing all that doesn't need anymore. And by clearing itself, it also helps us to feel a little lighter. I mean, these New Year energies are much more lighter and beautiful. There is tides, but they are not very huge. I just wanted you today to feel these ocean energies, because these New Year energies are really far different. When the sun comes out, the skies are pink, and at sunset the skies are orange and pink again. So the planet is really showing us that it has changed, it has aligned it to the central sun. It shows more loving energy skies with dark salmon pink colors, and it's much cleaner. I mean, this new energy is really beautiful. Even we don't feel like eating that much, not putting all that heavy stuff on our stomachs. So enjoy these New Year energies. It's gonna be a wonderful year. It will take some old programming system that it doesn't work anymore, but that's the way it should be, to have a new loving energy system that supports us all. Have a nice day. Wow, it got me, but this way is just gorgeous. Just feel this energy. It got me in the middle. Oh, beautiful. This new energy is really far lighter and cleaner than last year. It will take all the old stuff you need to release. It will force some of us that are still on some comfort zones to release the old stuff.